Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Guys, I'll be making this lovely dashing bag here. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification button. Guys, please watch this tutorial from the beginning to the end. Guys, first thing first, I'm going to be making a pattern and I'll be making use of my leather board for this pattern, and the name of the leather board is Khembuzz. Guys, my first measurement is the width of the bag, which is 9 inches. Then after the width, then I'm just going to measure the front, the back, the upper base, the bottom, and also my gusset. So the flap is 4 inches, while the upper base is 2.5. The front of the bag and the back of the bag is 6.5 inches. The bottom of the bag is 4 inches. Now guys, I'm just going to fold my leather board, and after folding it, I'm just going to gum my foam to my pattern, to the leather board. Guys, this is a foreign fabric. It is a fabric, and this fabric is from China. Very quality and also beautiful as well. So guys, yeah, so now after gumming the foam and also my fabric, the next thing I'll be doing now is to take the measurement for my gusset. So the measurement for the gusset is I'm using 7 inches by 5 inches. Guys, the length of the bag is 6.5 and the bottom is 4 inches. So for the length, we're going to add like ½ inch, and for the bottom we're going to add like 1 inch. That is why we have 7 by 5 inches for the gusset. So now what we're going to do is to take the measurement of a 0.5 length, a 0.5 width, and cut it out. Now I'm through with the gusset cutting, and I'm just going to glue it to my fabric and fold the fabric on top of my leather board. So for the inner parts, we're making use of chipboard for the leather board. So guys, the inner parts, all you just have to do is to reduce the normal measurements by a 0.1. So the upper base, the upper base and the flap will be reduced by a 0.1. Then the width will be reduced by a 0.1. The bottom, the front, and the back will still remain the normal measurement. So now what I'm just going to do is to fold the leather board with my lining, and after this I'm just going to just cut out my pockets. So I'm making use of a leather, this is a leather padding. I'm making use of leather padding for the pocket. So I'm just going to, glue it with my lining. So guys, I'm through with the inner and the outer part, and the next thing is just to fix my magnet and also my rivets. So basically guys, the measurement for the magnet is 0.7 by 1 inch. 0.7 is the length, then 1 inch is the width. So this is my rivets. All these are stock. They are stock accessories. So I'm just going to just attach my rivets just like this. So this is used for holding a chain. The next thing is to take out a measurement for the handle. So I'm just going to be using this puncher. This is 28 size puncher. So I'm just going to use it to punch out a hole, and for this pipe I'll be making use of 12 inches, and for the material I'll be making use of 30 inches. So guys, I'm just going to take my puncher and make a hole and also stitch my fabric. So guys, please make sure you watch this aspect carefully, and please, if you have any questions, please kindly drop your questions under the comment section. And guys, please watch out for my next video. It's going to be awesome. It's going to be light, so please watch out for my next video. And also don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to like, comment and share my videos. Guys, I'm through with the handle, with the inner part and with the outer part. So the next thing is just to apply gum to the inner part of my bag and the outer part, and just glue them together before stitching. Guys, this is a simple and a easy method for you guys to watch. Please guys, make sure you watch this tutorial from the beginning to the end for better understanding. Follow every step of this tutorial to get it better than what I am doing right now. The next thing, guys, is for us to glue the lining to the gusset. So just apply gum to the leather board where you want your lining to stay. After applying the gum, let it dry a bit before you place it on top of the lining. So the next aspect is to use my cylinder bed machine to stitch everything round. So guys, this tutorial has come to an end. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for everything. Please subscribe and click on the notification button. Thank you so much, guys. Like, comment on all my videos. I love you all, and God bless you.